Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a brand new Harris Tri-Tune, a 2019 Harris 250 Sunliner. Just wanted to go through a couple features on the boat and show you guys some of the reasons why we love our Harrises. At the front, you've got storage under every seat base. They're all hinged for easy access underneath of them, and they're actually hinged so they'll stay open when you're going in and out of those compartments. You've got recessed cup holders up here on both sides, drop down armrests in the front of the boat, and a nice large oversized ski locker in the floor. Great for skis. You could even put fishing rods in there if you wanted to use it for that. As we move back in the boat, you've got double doors for access on both sides, which is unique to the 25-foot Sunliner. This boat is equipped with the midnight blue exterior and the black rails, so it really gives it a good sharp look. As we move over here to the helm, you'll see we've equipped these boats standard with a touchscreen SIMRAD display. You've got a new Fusion head unit for this year with Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, things like that. All new for 2019 in the Harrises is all RGB LED lighting on the interior of the boat, meaning you can change the color to any part of the color spectrum that you choose, and it makes it a little bit more fun when you're out on the lake enjoying your time. You've got a nice adjustable seat base here. You've got tilt steering. And another great feature is the Mercury 225 horsepower motor that's on this boat. It's the new design for this year from Mercury. It's also equipped with digital throttle and shift. And this is the single lounger floor plan where you can turn this into a big bed area back here. You've got an oversized storage compartment in the back that's great for tubes, skis, wakeboards, etc. And of course, we've equipped them all with the double bimini, so you've got all that sunshade in the summer when it gets real hot in Texas, which we know you guys will want. Come on down to MarineMax of Houston and see us today.